If you want to search for a song on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, then we actually have two ways to do so, two main ways actually. And both of them are pretty much the same, it's just how to access them. Because, for example, we can use the circle to search, so we can press and hold our finger on the navigation handlebar that we have at the bottom of the screen. Or if you use three buttons for navigation, then you want to press and hold the home button, of course. And after holding for like a second or two, you will open circle to search, and we can tap on this icon over here, this music note, and now we can leave our phone like that for a couple of seconds to let the phone try to recognize the song that is being played, for example, somewhere in the background. And you can also play, sing, or hum a song by yourself in order to try to get the song title. And you will actually get a Google search result with the song title. You can also go to the control center or quick settings, and then in here, if we edit the control center, then in here in app toggles you should be able to find the song search option and add it to the list. So now, instead of using circle to search, you can just quickly go to the control center and tap on this button in order to activate the same thing. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.